Hello, welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be learning how to edit a feature in SolidWorks. So download this part file so you can follow along. Remember, we discussed in a couple of lectures back that this is a feature manager tree, and a feature manager tree has all the features that are used to build a part. So when you look at this part, these are all the features that are used to create it. To edit any of these features, there are two ways you can do that. First, you can right-click in your feature manager tree on the feature you want to edit. Right-click on it. And the first option is Edit Feature. Click it. And in the feature property, you can change the dimension. So for this base, let's change the dimension to 1. And click OK. Another way you can edit a feature is to right-click on that feature in the part itself. So for this example, we want to edit this plate. So we can just right-click on that plate. And we can, again, the first option is Edit Feature. Click it. And let's change the dimension to 1 as well. And click OK. And that is how you edit a feature in SolidWorks. Remember, you can right-click on the feature on your viewport to edit it, or you can right-click it in the feature manager tree. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.